Welcome to the world of 3D models. In the next few minutes, we will learn to use Tinkercad to design your own 3D model of a boat. You will watch a time-lapse video from the University of Maine demonstrating how to 3D print a 25-foot boat in one piece. By learning how to 3D design using computer-aided design, or CAD, you can make anything. Step-by-step instructions are provided in English and Spanish. Any computer, Chromebook, and nearly every mobile device can run Tinkercad for free. Luckily, access to a 3D printer for students is improving every day.
Hi, I'm Jana Lynn Peppel, and I've come all the way to Maine just to show you something really cool about shipbuilding and how you can create 3D models. Sailboats, workboats, pleasure boats. What do they all have in common? Well, someone had to design them. They had to determine the width, the height, and the depth. Now in the past, they used wooden models to create these, but now we can make prototypes just like this that are printed on a 3D printer. And someday, you may even be able to print your own full-size boat, just like the University of Maine, who's given us permission to show you the world's largest 3D printed boat. Many schools, libraries, and after-school programs are starting to provide access to 3D printers in smart ways. Now, if you look, you may be able to find one closer than you think. I'm going to go visit my good friend, Captain Chris. Let's go see if he knows what this is. Hey, Chris!
Gentlemen!
Captain Chris can fix anything. Let's see if he knows what this is.
Hey, gentlemen. I know what that is. Is that a 3D model?
Exactly. I knew you'd know what this is.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm here teaching people how to 3D print and create 3D models using CAD.
Ah. Boy, I'd like to know more about that. Yeah.
Really? I'd love to show you. We can do it step by step.
Wow. Wow, that's interesting. Now my mind sparks to think that I know these builders down in Mexico, and maybe we could do something in Spanish too.
Wow, that'd be awesome, because I have some Spanish friends and they'd love it if you'd teach them. And then we can post them and then your friends can see them.
Perfecto.
Let's get started by signing into Tinkercad. If this is your first time, click Join Now and create an account. Click on Create a New Design and name your design. Edit grid to the default millimeters and turn the snap grid to off. Get comfortable with your mouse or trackpad. To spin, right-click your mouse. To enlarge or reduce, use the middle wheel of the mouse. To shift the work plane, press down on the middle wheel of your mouse. Spin the cube to the left. You can always refer to the home icon in the upper left corner to return to start. We will start with the first shape, the purple cone located below in Basic Shapes. Change the size to 5. You can slide or type 5 in the drop-down box. Go in this order to avoid confusion later. Change all the dimensions to 30, including the height. To change the height, click the middle white button. Now we do the same with the polygon. Set the height to 70 by 30 by 30. Raise the cone with the middle arrow on the top to 70 millimeters off the work plane. You can type the exact measurement in. Now group select by dragging across both shapes with your mouse. Press Align tool in the top right. Align everything on the center by clicking the middle buttons on the bottom. Select again and group to make one solid shape. It's important to avoid confusion, so rotate the work plane so you are centered on the left side. Use the navigation cube to get the correct angle for rotating to 90 degrees. The curved arrow above the shape can be used to freely rotate or type 90 degrees. Lower the shape to rest on the work plane. Type 0 or just lower freehand. Now duplicate the model using copy and paste. Then change the copied model size to 1.5 millimeters smaller which is 28.5 and 98.5. Turn it into a hole, then raise off the work plane 1.5 millimeters. Group select both shapes. Align to the front and center. Now group the two selected models, and there you have it, a 3D model of a boat.
I'm here with Captain Chris, and we're working on his boat. I just love building things.
And I love learning new things. There's no doubt in my mind that this 3D modeling is the future in design work of all things that we build. And I'm so glad you're showing us.
Yes, it's been great working with you. It's been great working with everyone, building together, working together, and designing together. Thank you.
Thank you.